What's up, everybody? Hope everybody had an awesome day. Got a big day in the markets today. I'm excited. I have a lot to go over. We're going to try to keep it short. First things first, market up or down? Market was down. Check that out. So what do we do next? We're looking to buy something, right? So I definitely want to go over some of the things on the screener here. So we'll go through it together. I saw a lot of good examples of companies that came on the screener that I wouldn't touch. Now, I've been doing this for a long time, and every company that's came on the screener has left the screener, but that doesn't mean they all make money. So I don't follow all of them, but I've always made money on the ones I did. All right. Did we miss anything? That's pretty much it. All right. So we got 8 of them. Now, in our platform here, we own AOS and 3M. Our available funds are $38.80, and the trade price is above that. So we can't rebuy any of these, which is what would be our first thing we want to do. So let's check and see what our other options are. We want to buy something today. Church Dwight, you guys know what company this is? This is Arm & Hammer. They do other stuff too, but this one, there's a glaring issue here. Can you all spot the reasons why we're not going to buy this? Look at the PEs are way too high. I'm never going to touch anything over an 18 unless it's a handful of companies. I'll go up to 22, and banks you want to get under 15. So those are good numbers to write down and live by there. That'll keep you somewhat out of trouble. But real quick glance, we can say nope. But I like that company. I know that company. We got Eastman, which is too expensive for us. But let's just get some repetition in right quick. Is there anything wrong with this one? No, right? Nice dividend, no debt. PEs are nice. They're making money. I made a lot of transactions today in my personal account. So usually I don't really care if you check the blog out or not. But if you want to see some big activity days, today was one of them. So hold the bag to get the bag investing.com, link in the description. But I did a bunch of these. Home Depot. This was another one. Everybody knows Home Depot, right? So as a beginner, you'd be like, all right, let's go. That's obviously too expensive for this account. But look here. Look at all this debt. Now, if you're a real smart person and you looked at the balance sheet and you know what that debt is and you're super smarter than everybody else and you want to get in here, by all means, go ahead. But this is a quick no-no. Fact is, there's never been a company go bankrupt that didn't have debt. It's just a fact. Next one, Kimberly-Clark. This is another one. This one's in actually in my investments. But if you average these up, you're over 18, right? And look at all this debt. We are staying away from debt. They're going to raise interest rates even more. These companies are going to get hammered. Otis, they make the elevators and stuff, right? Look at your PE, right? These are things that you should be looking at like, oh shoot, I'm out, right? These are red flags too, but I think they did a spin-off. I think this used to be part of something else. And of course we have Vector, which is it's like a commodity. It's for tobacco, but we've done this one before. Look at that. 8% dividend. Check that out. No debt. A lot of good cash coming in. Everything's cool here. Everything's all right. This one's $9, so this one's a candidate, right? We got $38. So at 9, we could buy that a few times. That's probably the one we're looking at. We also have this one here, ACO. I traded this twice today, actually. And those are the only two in our price range, right? Personally, I would select this one because it's a commodity. And if you look at what we own this one. We own industrial companies. So instead of getting another industrial, see, this is in a sector right here. We're getting a different sector. And that's just a little diversity trick. Plus, the math works out better. You're going to make more money if you get 1% off the higher price stock, right? $9 versus $5. Follow me? So 918, that's one we're going to go with. So I just wanted to go over a few of those because if you just blindly take the screener, you probably do okay. But be smart. I treat this money like it's, I got a big account, but this $9 here, I'm treating it like it's gold. It's the last $9 I got. And the funny thing is, a lot of people that talk about, well, it's only $9, they're broke. They're broke as hell. They just don't know it. They got a nice house and a car payment, and they think they're doing all right. That ain't the way to go. Have no assets. So 918, we'll just go with that price. So what's the sell price going to be? We're going to make 9 big ones, right? So it should be 927 if the math is right. Is that right? Remember, we want good till cancel with the extended hours and limit. So we're trying to turn 918 into 927. Let's send it. See if it fills. Rejected order. Did I do something wrong? Said it was rejected. Let's try it again. Maybe I hit something wrong. Kind of a goober. Do I have my numbers wrong? The buy was 918 at the closing price. I want to sell it. We got our 3 trades here. Limit, good till cancel with the extended. First trigger's the second. Unless I mess this up here. I might have had that messed up. Trying to sell 100 shares or something stupid. I don't know. I have to look at the replay. But limit, good till cancel, 918, 927. That should work. And it's hard when you learn something new. And I dog this platform, and it's not user-friendly at all. But the one reason I selected this brokerage is because of the trade execution. It is fantastic. And then obviously, if you're somebody that's working a day job, you can do your orders just like this, buy and the sell all in the same order. And if while you're at work, the stuff will just happen, right? So that's what we bought today. We'll see what happens. 918, maybe. We'll see what we get filled at. And we'll have 3 positions on. And we should have some bucks to buy this a couple different times, right? And we're just grinding. We're grinding. So the market was big down today. And let's take a look at our positions. We have AOS and 3M. Just for a little perspective. It's looking like it's popping up out of the 30, right? You see it? Big green day today. While the market was down. See how we're outperforming? That's how we outperform over the long run. It's just every day, little by little, we're buying stuff that's popping. Looks like we just missed the dividend on this one. This one's just tanking. But you can see here, if we get a turnaround, so if price breaks this, lows 115.98. What was the low today? Yeah, we didn't quite get there. So if it breaks this low, takes out all the stops and starts going higher, we'll have divergence. You have a RSI went really low, price will go lower, but the RSI will go not as low, and that's a sign for a turnaround. Everything's going good. These guys are going to start paying rent. This one will be a while, but the other one looks like it's all right. It paid in July, August, September, October. End of October, we'll be getting paid again. So, but hopefully it sells before then. Everything's going good. We got our buy-in on the market down day. So we didn't lose as much as the market lost because we had cash, right? And then we'll start getting alpha. So I hope this helps y'all. Do your research. Check out the blog if you want to see what I did today. I moved a lot of money. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great day.